In this video, I'll guide you through how to post a video to Substack, whether you're sharing a vlog, a tutorial, or a short update for your subscribers. I'll walk you through each step so you can get your video online quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to post your video. If you have multiple publications, double check that you're in the right one because the video will be attached to whichever publication is currently active. Once you're on your Substack dashboard, look for the main button that lets you create new content. This is usually labeled Create or appears as a prominent option near the top of the page. Click on Create to start a new post. This is the same place you'd go if you were writing a normal newsletter, but in this case, we're going to choose the video option. After clicking Create, you'll see different types of posts you can make. Click on Video. This tells Substack that this post is centered around a video, and it will open up an interface designed specifically for that. The editor may look similar to a regular post, but it will now include video controls at the top. Next, you'll see options to either record a video directly or select a file from your device. If you click Record, Substack will use your camera and microphone so you can capture a video on the spot. This can be handy for quick updates or casual messages. Just make sure your browser has permission to access your camera and mic, and check your lighting and audio before you hit record. If you already have a video saved, choose the option to select a file instead. This will open a file picker where you can browse to the folder on your computer where the video is stored. Choose your video file and confirm the upload. Depending on your file size and internet connection, this might take a little time, so be patient while it processes. Once your video is uploaded or recorded, it's time to add the details that your audience will see first. Enter a clear, descriptive title that tells people what your video is about. Beneath that, you can add a subtitle. The subtitle is optional, but it's a great space for a short summary, a key takeaway, or a bit of context that encourages people to click and watch. Now, scroll down to the main body area and start writing. This is where you can add text to go along with your video. You might want to include an introduction, a brief outline of what's in the video, links to anything you mention, or a written summary for readers who prefer to skim. Adding a bit of written content also helps with clarity and makes your post more accessible. Take a moment to review everything: the video, the title and subtitle, and the text you've written. When you're happy with how it looks, click Continue. From there, you'll move on to Substack's usual publishing options like previewing, adjusting your audience or delivery settings, and finally publishing your video post to your subscribers.